Dreaming of a bedroom that's a sanctuary of luck and tranquility? Discover the secrets to transforming your space. Today, we're diving into the ancient art of feng shui, a powerful way to harmonize your home and life. The snake plant, known for its beauty and air-purifying qualities, is a perfect addition to any room. But did you know its placement can significantly impact your well-being? We'll guide you through strategic feng shui. Beyond its beauty, the snake plant is unique. It releases oxygen at night, making your bedroom air fresher. It also filters out common toxins, contributing to a healthier, more restful sleep environment. From a feng shui perspective, this plant offers powerful protective energy, guarding against negative influences. Its upright, strong leaves are believed to ward off negative qi, creating a shield of positive energy. Feng shui in the bedroom emphasizes balance and harmony. Think soft colors, natural textures, and calming elements. A clutter-free space is essential. A tidy bedroom allows good energy to flow freely, promoting peace. Contrast this with a cluttered room, where stagnant energy can disrupt your rest and well-being. Plants, as living elements, bring vital yin and yang balance, connecting your indoor space with nature. Now, let's explore the best spots for your snake plant to maximize its positive feng shui benefits. The east or southeast corners of your bedroom are ideal. These areas are associated with health and wealth. Placing your plant here can enhance vitality and attract prosperity into your life. Consider placing it near a window, but avoid direct, harsh sunlight. It helps filter incoming energy. This placement offers protection, softening any sharp external energies before they enter your personal space. Near the bedroom entrance is another excellent spot. It welcomes positive energy and deters negative influences. This acts as a guardian, ensuring only good vibes enter your sanctuary. Crucially, avoid placing sharp-leaved plants in direct line of sight from your bed. These are poison arrows. This can disrupt your sleep and create unease. Always ensure a clear, unobstructed view from your bed. For bedroom feng shui, small to medium-sized snake plants are best. They offer benefits without overwhelming the space. Larger plants can introduce too much yang energy, which might be too stimulating for a restful bedroom. Let's visualize these placements. Here's a snake plant in the east corner, promoting health and family harmony. And here, near a window, filtering energy and adding a touch of nature's protection. Observe how different types of snake plants, from tall to compact, can fit various bedroom aesthetics. Now, let's talk about what to avoid to maintain optimal feng shui in your sleeping space. As mentioned, placing a snake plant too close to your bed creates those poison arrows of sharp energy. This can lead to restless sleep and a feeling of being on edge. Keep your bed area clear and soft. Avoid overcrowding your bedroom with too many plants. While beneficial, excess can create too much yang energy. This imbalance can disrupt your sleep and overall tranquility. Moderation is key for a harmonious space. Also, avoid the north or southwest corners for snake plants in the bedroom. These areas have different energy needs. These zones are better suited for other elements that support specific aspects of your life, not sharp-leaved plants. A healthy plant radiates good energy, so proper care and maintenance are crucial for optimal feng shui. Ensure your snake plant thrives with basic care, mindful watering, adequate light, and regular dusting. A thriving plant brings vibrant, positive energy, enhancing the overall harmony of your bedroom. To recap, place your snake plant in the east or southeast corners for health and wealth, near a window for protection, and by the entrance to welcome positive energy. Remember to avoid direct line of sight from your bed, overcrowding, and the north or southwest corners. Experiment with these placements and observe the positive changes in your sleep, mood, and overall well-being. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more feng shui tips to enhance your home.